Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady and I hope you have absolutely fabulous day. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this really easy shaped card without any cutting dice. And it is a part of Mintay Papers challenge for World Card Making Day. And the challenge is called Shape It Your Way. So the idea was to create your own template to create a shaped card. I took orange card, I folded it in half, and using my pencil, I draw the shape of a leaf and I fussy cut it. Then I created a line at the top, so this way my card is going to stand up nicely on a flat surface. Super quick and simple. So let's create card base. I've got 250 GSM white cards. I'm going to put my template here and I'm going to score it 4.5 of an inch down. So this way I'm going to save some cardstock for later. Now I'm going to fold it and burnish and I'm going to line up my leaf template with the fold line. As you can see, I'm using that pencil line at the top as a guide. I'm going to use my pencil that I got from Scrap Kate the other week when I met her in Poznan for Hobby Craft Show. It was absolutely amazing. So if you've never ever created a shaped card, I really encourage you to give it a go because you don't need any cutting dice to do it. And I'm going to show you how to create layers and mats as well. So when this is ready, then I'm going to use my scissors to fussy cut the shape. As you can see, it looks like a broken leaf, but do not worry, we're going to fix it later on. So I'm using my scissors from Crafter's Companion. I would say they are heavy duty scissors for paper crafting because here I've got two pieces of 250 GSM. So in total, it is 500 GSM card. And I have to say that those scissors are absolutely amazing for this project. And if you've never heard about Mintay Papers, on Facebook, they actually run some challenges and games for World Card Making Day. And you've got, I think, until the 13th or the 12th of October if you want to take part. And this is challenge number 2 called Shape It Your Way. As I told you, you have to create your own shaped card from your own template, which was a very nice challenge for me. And as it is autumn, the collection I'm going to use is just perfect for this challenge. And I got all the design papers when I went to Poznan the other week for that craft show. And it was amazing experience. If you haven't seen my haul, I'm going to leave the link at the end of this video so you can have a look. So as you can see, I'm nearly done with the card base here and I'm trying to go inside of the pencil mark. So it's going to be slightly smaller than my template. And there is a reason behind it. Because off camera, I took the same orange template and I used it as a stencil to create another white leaf that will go on top. And this way, no one is going to see the card base behind it. Really cool idea. So as you can see, this is my template and this is the leaf I created. And they match really well here. And now we have to create some mats and layers. And to do it, again, I'm going to use my template I created and also Autumn book from Mintay Papers. This collection is just perfect, and I decided to use those leaves here as a background. I really like it, and I thought it would be just amazing. If you like this collection as well, please let me know in the comments down below. Now I'm going to trace it very quickly. As you can see, I'm using the same side of my template just to make sure everything will be perfectly even. And then later on, I'm going to use my pencil to draw the line inside, but slightly smaller. And this is my trick. So as you can see, you don't really need any cutting dice to create shaped cards. You can create whatever you want. And that's what's really good about card making projects. You can be as imaginative as you want. The choice is absolutely yours. Which collections you're going to use. Here, I'm using my pencil to draw slightly smaller leaf inside And then later on, I'm going to fussy cut it with my scissors as well. Very quick and simple, but I did it off camera, so I wouldn't be moving the card left and right all the time. And this one is very easy. And to be honest, I absolutely love this collection, the Autumn book from Mintay Papers. And all the elements to fussy cut inside are so adorable. So I thought that will be the project for today. What is your favorite season? Because autumn is my favorite season, and as you can see, I just love making the autumnal cards and projects. But I also wonder, do you have any collections from Mintay Papers? If you do, which one is your favorite? I really like the quality of the card here. It's 250 GSM, it is very sturdy, and it is just perfect even for mixed media. So as you can see, my leaf is ready. And if you do have any pencil marks, you can use an eraser to get rid of them. So as you can see, I do have a white border, and that's exactly what I wanted on my card. Especially with all the mats and layers, I think this is the best way to do it. Now I'm going to use my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, and assemble the beautiful white leaf and the colored leaf together. And when this is ready, then we can decorate it the way you want, or you can put it at the front of the card. So now decisions, and it's always a good idea to burnish it on the other side as well, just to make sure the glue is set. Now I'm going to put the glue at the front of my card base very quickly and attach the front panel. And then you can use whatever you want from that beautiful autumn book. There are plenty of beautiful images to choose from. To be honest, that was the hardest decision which ones I'm going to use. So, off camera, I fussy cut quite a lot of them. And I decided to also add some dimension as well. And that hedgehog is just so adorable. I love it. As you can see, in this collection, you've got quite a few pages with the same images. And now I'm going to show you where the beautiful sunflowers and pumpkins are. Really cool collection. If you love autumn, this collection is for you. So now I'm going to place my leaf card on a line on my grid mat just to make sure it's going to be straight when I put it on a flat surface. As you can see, I'm using some double-sided foam adhesive for extra dimension and interest. And if you want, you can also do a dry run to make sure everything is exactly where you want it. Have you ever created card in the shape of a leaf? Please let me know in the comments down below. And if you have, how did you do it? I'm really curious. So this card comes together very quickly, all together. It took me around 25 minutes, which I think is very quick for an autumnal card, especially the shaped one. Here I'm adding 2 layers of double-sided foam adhesive, and then we need some extra elements. And in real life, the dimension really makes a difference. I really like all the elements in this collection. Have you ever worked with it? Please let me know. And if you have, what did you create? I'm really curious. Now it is time for a sentiment, and I've got the word thank you in Polish, and I'm going to use the leftover, where I created the leaf shape. So this way, I'm not going to waste any elements from this collection, and I'm going to use my scissors to create a nice border around the sentiment. Really cool, quick. Now it is time to add a little bit of dimension, and the card is going to be completed. Here, I'm not going to add any gems or sparkle. I think all the elements here are enough to embellish the whole project. If you agree with me, please let me know in the comments down below. And I also wonder, have you ever used a hedgehog for your autumn cards? I really like that animal, and I think it is just perfect for these projects. The card stands proudly on a flat surface, and there is plenty of space to write your message inside. I really hope you will feel inspired to create your own shaped cards without any cutting dice. As you can see, it is very easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. I'm going to have more videos coming your way very soon. So if you're new to my channel, I really hope you will consider subscribing and don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. That really means a lot to me. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye for now.